This is the Homitt Refillable Butane Cooking Torch. Let's take it out of the box. The back of the box contains the directions there. You get the torch itself and a couple little adapters here for different types of butane gas bottles. This is shipped without fuel for safety, so it's not going to work out of the box. You do need to purchase butane fuel for this. There are many different kinds out there that you can get. Any of them will work fine. The way it works is like a refillable lighter. At the bottom there is where you put the butane in. You put your butane bottle on that and it'll fill it up, and there is a convenient fuel gauge. I don't know if the camera can quite pick it up with the shadow there, the reflection, but you should see I have about halfway up with fuel in there. So that's butane. Everything's all set. There's a trigger lock. This plastic piece right here, that comes off, and now you can pull the trigger and you get your flame. But there's a lot more to it. First of all, you have a lock over here, so if I press it, I can lock it on. And you also have, in fact, if I do that again, an adjustable flame. So I can make that smaller or larger. So what would you use this for? Well, if you're one of those high-end chefs out there and make things like crème brûlée, or you just want to add a nice touch to a dish, maybe there's a certain dish that takes alcohol that you light on fire. You can take this and light it with that. You know, there's a lot of different uses for this in cooking, and one of which I'm going to show you right now. Here I have a couple of English muffins with a slice of provolone cheese on there. While good on its own, we can make that just a little bit better by melting that on. That looks great right there. I'm going to do this one now, and I'm actually going to keep the flame on there. For longer this time. And we made that one really nice and melty. So it all depends on what you're looking for right there. This is actually even starting to caramelize a little bit, just depending on exactly what you're looking for. So it can place a nice touch upon certain dishes that you're preparing. Also great for lighting a barbecue, lighting a cigar, anything like that. You know, whatever's handy, whatever's there, wherever you need a flame, the Homitt Butane Cooking Torch can do the trick. So whether you use it for just starting a fire or putting the finishing touch on a dish, the Homitt Butane Cooking Torch is a very capable and handy tool to have around. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.